Breaking news, serial killers. And now add a cup of sugar like
Wait.
so. I repeat, serial killers loose in the area. You're that right. News Authorities recommend you lock all doors, not look out the windows, keep up close, and not leave the house. Now back to season 4.
Okay, that one's good. Alright, that one's good. Alright, we're good. Ooh, Taginor, every criminal's best friend. Here we are. Shoot the fence. Oh my gosh, he'll never find me in here. I should probably get below this window.
Those nerds are right about everything. Breaking news, the serial killer. Put the gun down, Jerry.
Wait, go back.
Authorities appear to still be searching for Boone Spoon Snow. He appears to be moving west towards Minneapolis.
That's where I live! Okay, this is not good.
Tonight, we're in for
This is not good. Okay. Okay, that's good. Second time's the charm. The doggy door's unlocked. These guys are a whole nother class of fool. Fools. Darn it. Ain't nobody breaking into my house. What was that? What was that? No. 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 Oh, this is not good. No one's breaking into my house. Oh, no one's here. Haha, I got this lighter to work. Yeah, burn me, flame. That's what I thought. Haha. Bullet. Man, why does everyone leave their freaking towels out? It's so annoying. Alright, I guess we should go back inside. Come on, dog. Oh, gonna go back and sleep. I'm so tired. Okay. Oh, I'm so tired, bro.
The serial killer has temporarily evaded the authorities. Stay alert and remain indoors until further instruction. If you believe he is in your home, listen for the sound of spoons and beware of the lights going out.
Spoons and lights going out.
And now add a cup of sugar like so.
I need to listen for spoons. Okay. I need to lock all the doors. Oh, okay, almost done. That's good. This one over here. Oh. Alright, okay. Okay. I need to listen for spoons. 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 I'm so tired. Spoons. 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 Oh. Spoons. Hey. I need to hear spoons. Spoons. Spoons? Spoons?
How do you